Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. I'm doing a series around the city walls at the moment, and for the last one I had to jump off the walls. So now I've got to try and get back on them. Let's go looking. No laughing now. I am 50 years old, don't forget. Whew, made it. Right, let's get on with this little adventure. So this next one I'm looking for isn't that far away. Less than 200 meters. So if I'm right, the hint on this one is a real giveaway, and nobody can come up here at the moment anyway because of the whole COVID thing. Very easy find with a really nice dry log in it. So I'll just take it back. Okay, so that's that signed and returned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, YouTube will let you know when I'm posting a new video. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.